Hello guys, I am back. I have to apologize for not going live watching Honk Animation. But you have to understand that I had some problems that I have to deal with. And the main problem is that my brother constantly manages to get to the mom's laptop and playing still a brain rot. Yes, I know. But the good news is that Shark, Puppet Mation and Plessy are making a new video from Honk Animation 2. Yes, they are starting to make Honk Animation 6 from Honk Animation 2. And the second good news is that Shark Puppet Mation is finally unbanned. So to celebrate this, we are gonna watch Honk Animation and Honk Animation today. Just because I couldn't live, that doesn't mean I can't make a video. So let's do this. Roblox Studio. Honk Animation. Oh, the duck is falling. There's a main guy.
What use this place is done? Oh, yeah. What's he doing?
What's he doing? You can't tell me that this isn't great animated.
What's up?
Sadly, I couldn't understand what the ducks are saying. But still, I do understand what are they saying something. But for the most part, I don't know. But I get it. The creator wanted to give the voice for the ducks to sound more like ducks. So that's why they sound probably like that. So that they would be duck-like. Flamingo duck. Bye, Roblox. What just happened? They just teleported. Well, that's an army. You can't tell me that this is... Okay. You can't tell me that this isn't well animated. I mean, like, yes, he probably made a green screen, but you have to understand that you can't tell me that this isn't well animated. This man literally had to animate bunch of ducks. So yeah, if you guys are saying that this isn't animation, then you don't know what are you watching. Oh good, they are back.
Wait, Brent, in here. Oh, hey, here, what's up?
Another duck, yay! The iconic trio.
It was a nice, good day. What's that noise? Oh, shit.
Oh shoot.
What is doing it? Is that not a problem?
Nether portal. They are going to the portal. They are in someone's living room. Oh, what the? Oh, I forgot. No, they are in back. Let's hope they don't run into that monster. Great! This is just great. Wow, well, that's some big stamina. They are still running away. That monster is so stupid. He literally fell into the hole. I can't believe it.
Phew, we made it. Wait, what's in here? Why can't you get in here? Oh, you know. Wait, I have an idea.
You can't tell me this isn't well animated. Oh,
Swing into portal. Let's check it.
what the?
Wait a minute, am I
They are in the jungle.
So anyway, one monster turned out like a... Wow, beautiful!
Wait a minute, are you at Ducks?
Yup, we're ducks.
Yep, that's going on now too.
Okay.
That was great!
Will you find jaw clamps with me?
Wait,
I sadly don't know who's John Clems.
is it forgotten from this YouTuber?
Yes, that was a YouTuber. Follow me. Here we go. We are in the same position as you guys.
Yes, that was a great place.
Whoa, are you okay, guys?
Yeah, I saw about it.
Oh no.
Okay, guys, say you next time. I hope you don't forget about me ducks.
Well, I won't.